Welcome. Today we are going to study English grammar section. Okay, and the second chapter of grammar, and the name of this chapter is main verb and auxiliaries. Main verbs and auxiliaries. Okay, English has two kind of verbs. English में दो ऐसे two kinds of verbs है. This is the first one is main verb and the second auxiliary or helping verbs. Okay, in the main verbs tells us what happened, or what the situation is on. What the situation is on. ओके, मेन वर्ब हमें क्या बताता है कि क्या हो रहा है और कौन सी सिचुएशन अभी व्हाट द सिचुएशन इज ऑन. ओके, एंड हैव फोर फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब एंड टेक एग्जांपल गो, वेंट, देन गॉन एंड गोइंग. मीन्स गो इज द V1, went is the V2, the gone is V3 and going is V1 plus ing. Okay, this is the go, went and gone and going. Okay, the list of auxiliary. Now this is the main verb. Now look at the auxiliary verb, helping verb. Helping verbs help to form a sentence. Auxiliary verbs help to form a tense. Then second auxiliary verb क्या होता है कि help to form, हमें tense बनाए इसके कौन से फॉर्म में है, कौन सा रूप है, कौन से इसमें है वो बताता है. एंड हेल्प टू फॉर्म नेगेटिव एंड क्वेश्चन, और वो हमें मदद करता है क्वेश्चन को नेगेटिव और इसे करने के लिए. हेल्प टू फॉर्म नेगेटिव एंड क्वेश्चन. Okay, then what list of auxiliary verbs. कि auxiliary verbs कौन कौन से है? Is, am, are, was, were, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must. ये all these words are auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. Okay, take example. I am writing a letter. Identify what is the main verb, what is the auxiliary verb. Okay, I is the subject. ये I क्या हो गया? Subject. Okay, am is auxiliary verb. Then writing ये क्या हो गया? Main verb. A letter is a complement. ये कौन सा हो गया? Complement. Take another example. I am going to school. In this sentence, what is the subject? I is the subject. Am is the. Now, अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि auxiliary verb, helping verb, am, is, are, was, were, can, could, ये सब क्या है? Auxiliary verbs. am ये क्या हो गया? Auxiliary verb. And going is the main verb. And to school is the complement. ये क्या हो गया? This is the complement. Okay. Now take exercise your. What is given? Fill in the blanks given. I live this. Wait. What is come? What is the auxiliary verb come here? I can live this way. Can. Okay. Now the second example. We help our friends. Look here. He Okay, should. And for all these chapter, we have to learn what is the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, look here. What is auxiliary verbs? Am, is, are, was, where, can, could, shall, should, may, might, and must. All these are auxiliary verbs and you have to learn it कि कौन कौन से auxiliary verb है, ये आपको लर्न करना है. तभी आप सेंटेंस में auxiliary verb कौन से है वो फाइंड आउट करोगे. मेन वर्ब कौन सा है, auxiliary verb कौन सा है, and main verbs tells us what happened, is going on, what the situation is on. Okay, means and in this main verb V1, V2, V3, V1 plus ing, go, went, gone, and going. Then auxiliary helping verbs help to form a sentence. Tense कौन से फॉर्म में है. Then help to form और negative and question, negative में क्वेश्चन में है. ये कौन से फॉर्म में है ये हमें auxiliary verb बताता है. Means auxiliary verb कौन कौन से है, am, is, are, was, where, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must. All these are helping verbs. Helping verbs, auxiliary verb. Okay, take example. I am writing a letter. In this sentence, I is the subject, am is the auxiliary verb, writing is the main verb, or letter is the complement. Okay, then this second is where I am going to school. In this sentence, I is subject, am is the helping verb, auxiliary verb, then going main verb, and to school is a complement. Okay, take your exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate auxiliaries. Okay, some fill in the blanks are given in your chapter number 2. Okay, I can lift this weight. We should help our friends. Like this, you have to complete your exercise of second chapter. Okay.